What's up guys, it's Ollie here in regards to a vid on a gear knob replacement on my E61. Just got home from work and have received a brand new BMW genuine gear knob in the post. So I thought I'd just show you guys how to do that and replace that. My one's really worn and it looks just looks really horrible. So yeah, this is pretty much the same on E46s, E39s, E90s, E60s, anything that's got a manual gearbox really. So yeah, so you can pretty much follow this for that. But yeah, let's crack on. So as you can see, this knob here is done 130,000 miles. It's all the leather's gone. Even with cleaning and detailing, it's still very, very, very shiny. And yeah, it just doesn't really, do the interior any favors. So what we're going to do is pull up, grab from the shaft down here and pull up as hard as we can, just to be careful in not trying to punch yourself in the face, which has happened before. You can see obviously this is a new genuine item. Now I would recommend getting a genuine item. They're about £60. Really, there's no contest. I mean, aftermarket one just never feels the same. The quality is never as good. So I'd really recommend it if it was in your budget to get a genuine M Sport one. As you can see, it's it's brand new. Right, so what we do then is grasp around the bottom of it and then pull up, and obviously keep your face away like that. So there you go, simply just a shaft, and obviously it's got a little sort of groove in there which it locates into. So you pull that one off, put that aside. This one here, just line it up like so. It should line up. Yep, so this one's quite fresh, so blimey. Okay, so yeah, so this one's quite fresh, so that one slides up and down really easily, but this one's quite tight really. Make sure it's in the middle and it will sort of locate on this top bit, and you need to clip it into place. So when you get to this point, just push down and you'll hear it click, and there you go. Simple as that, really easy. Makes the interior look so much better. But there you go. So there you go guys, that's how you replace it. I'm sure you can agree it looks absolutely amazing in comparison to the old horrible worn out one. It really does lift the interior up, especially when you're replacing other bits in here and keeping your interior tidy. End of the day, you're always touching the gear sticks, so it does make a massive difference even for the feel as well. But yeah, if you like what you see, drop us a comment, like and subscribe, and I've got plenty more to come, plenty more vids. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good evening.